Yeah, we got her out of the body shop. I think we nailed it. I think it looks like a stock 65 dually had Chevrolet made one. We gotta get her washed up. We're finna get some paint sprayed on that cab and front cap. Still got some body work to do on the bed just yet. But that looks like if Chevrolet hadn't done one, it would have looked something like that. That's cool. She's got a big butt.
That's what she said.
That's the color we're going with. That's cool.
One coat of red.
Looking good. One coat's been put on the back. This has had its second. We'll do 3 coats on the exterior before we put our clear down. We still got to tape and put a white two-tone down. We're running a DeVilbiss Millennium spray gun with a, now we got a 1.4 tip in it right now. We're shooting a lot of material out. And we're using O'Reilly's Nissan XL product, and it's doing really well. That's a very good paint. It covers really well. That's 2 coats. You could probably get by with a clear on that. We'll do 3 just to be safe. Yeah, 3 coats of color down. We're getting her taped up now to get that bonnet white. We about got her whipped. We'll tack cloth it down. And we'll get us a nice coat of that cream white on there. Also got to do the grill. There's a ring that goes on these 65s. There's a ring around the grill shell that has to be white along with the grill. All right, with that, we got the top shot. We got the first coat on it anyways. We're gonna put 2 more coats of that white on it. Get it good and covered, then we'll clear it. All right, nearly dark, but we got our first clear going down. This is the Nissan XL clear. It is a phenomenal clear coat. Looking good. I got it untaped. She looks really good. We came in this morning and it wasn't setting in the floor. So that's a win. Now we're fixing to get some doors hung and some parts put back on and start assembling the guts in this door. And we got nice looking jams. I think we're gonna be all right. Maybe a gnat or 2 we're gonna wet sand out, but not bad. And it spooked me because it ended up getting dark on us yesterday. And whenever you have the bright lights on, the bugs are attracted to it. But I think we dodged a bullet. Let's get her put together. We've got all new weather stripping. Get it put on while we got the doors out of the way. That's better. We got Dynamat for the floor. Went ahead and cleaned up the door strikers. So they're looking like new money in there. They're just getting the glue stuck on the weather stripping. She's coming. We still got to tape all this off, spray these aprons. Again, this is a frame on. We didn't take this one all the way down to nothing and start over. Almost, but we ended up putting new cab bushings under it. I guess the only thing different, we would have separated the cab from the frame and blasted the frame, but we're just going to clean her up and give her a good coat of paint. She's not bad as she sits. Isn't that right, Bean? Bean's okay. She's just sleeping. That's one door hung. One to go. And with one door on, it looks like a truck again. Well, that's gonna look spectacular with that dually bed. Get it painted red. All right, rest of the day, we're gonna try to get the other door hung. I'm gonna try to get the guts in the door for the windows and all the new weather stripping that goes with it. And Taylor's gonna be trying to get this engine bay detailed out and all these aprons painted black. Looking slick. I'm liking it. All right, we got the second door hung. Taylor's getting the latch adjusted now. I think we showed y'all this side already, but this one's out and adjusted. Looks very good. Good lines. We got everything crisp.
This is truly amazing.
Just one more to go. And we're gonna start rebuilding these window vents. We're gonna take these apart, blast them, paint them, put new rubbers on them. All new sweeps and fuzzies for the doors. And that one's adjusted. Looking good. Let's do the detail stuff now.
We got all the vent windows and the door glass, sweeps, fuzzies, door rubbers in, back glass is in, and everything works like it should. Next, we got to get the door handles put on, then we can put the door panels on.